Again, we got another problem quite similar to the previous one, and our given function is sine tan ax plus b, right? And here sine has the angle tan ax plus b, and again tan has the angle ax plus b. So we have to differentiate this three times. First we'll be differentiating sine with respect to its angle, right? And in the next stage we'll be differentiating tan with respect to its angle ax plus b, and the third step will be differentiating ax plus b with respect to its main variable, that is x. Alright, so let me suppose this is my function y equals sine tan ax plus b. Alright, and to differentiate, let's differentiate this both side with respect to x, dy over the dx. So derivative of sine tan ax plus b with respect to x. But you know, I have told you when you put the sine, cosine, tan, cot, sec, anything, cosec, anything has the power 1, then that time we have to differentiate with respect to its angle, and our angle is here tan ax plus b, but here it's not. So we have to work it here, and we need to differentiate this sine with respect to its angle. Alright, so derivative of sine tan ax plus b, alright, this is angle with respect to tan ax plus b. Right, here I mean to say this is my angle of the sine, that's why I differentiate with respect to the angle of the sine. Alright, since I have put this from my side and I have divided, so I need to multiply it here also. So derivative of again tan ax plus b, and see, surprising thing again, of tan has power 1, it means again we have to differentiate with respect to its angle, and its angle is ax plus b. So differentiating this with respect to its angle ax plus b, for that I divided by this quantity, so I have to again multiply with the same quantity ax plus b here. Alright, and now this quantity I can easily differentiate with x. Alright, this is a simple algebraic function and whose variable is x, and we're differentiating with the x. So this is the way, you know, like if you see it here, like I divided and multiplied by these two things, so you can easily cancel also, and again here I divided and multiplied by the same thing, so you can cancel also, and you'll get finally d sine tan ax plus b over dx as it is in the first row, right? So I have not changed anything, I have not followed the any rules of the of any mathematics, right? So it's same, like saying this and these are the same, but by doing so what we get a comfortable to find out the derivative, because it's sine of the angle over the angle, you know, sine derivative of the sine angle with respect to its angle, we can easily find out now. It's something like derivative of sine theta with respect to its theta. Theta is the angle, right? So here derivative of sine theta with respect to its angle theta is cos theta, right? So similarly here sine has the angle here now tan ax plus b, and here its angle is here, so same, it is same, and this theta will be now replaced by this tan ax plus b. It will be replaced by tan ax plus b, and that's it. So that is what I'm doing here to find out the derivative of this part, this part. Okay, so derivative of this part will be cosine tan ax plus b. Alright, I got the derivative of the first part, and now let's work on this part. So to find out the derivative of this part, again it's like something, the derivative of tan theta, right, where theta is like ax plus b, and we know that derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is sec square theta, right? But instead of theta here we have ax plus b, so the sec square theta we will write here sec ax plus b. That's it. So I can write now here sec square ax plus b. And now the last one, derivative of ax plus b. A is a constant and is a coefficient, so I'll write it first, and then derivative of x will be 1, and again derivative of the constant, that b is a constant actually, so derivative of this b will be 0. That's it. So now let me rearrange it properly. So I will get this is a, alright, so a cos tan ax plus b, alright, and then times sec square ax plus b, and this is what our question is asking the derivative to find out, and that's it. Alright, we did it. So in similar way, we'll be doing more problems that will give you more and more concept. Hope I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.